Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers cheap, Milton, local and long distance movers near me. Moving long distance means a significantly long journey for your items. The bigger the size of your household and the number of objects you need to move, the higher the cost will be. Weight is another important factor. You might not have a lot to move, but if your belongings weigh a lot, it will still affect the price more than you might think. You should have an on-site inspection that takes a look at your home to get an accurate price estimate. Our experienced team of evaluators will give you a reliable estimate while also helping you plan your move so it goes down smoothly. We also offer insurance to cover you in case anything were to happen. It's important to know what kind of liability you have for a project as big as this one. Moving locally means you don't have to worry about as much distance. You still need to consider the costs of renting equipment amongst other things, making sure your price estimate includes all the charges. Some companies charge extra for driving time and fuel. If you work with us, you will get a reliable estimate that includes everything, so you don't have to worry about unwanted surprises. If you prefer a full-service move, we also include the labor costs based on the amount of movers and loading and unloading time. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Milton moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.